Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Brew with Memli. And today I'm going to try to make peace between espresso lovers and pour-over lovers. Despite all the education and the different roast profile that we have created, we still have two big factions. The espresso lovers who love the minutia and the attention to the detail to create that strong beverage, and the pour-over lovers more drawn to that flavor clarity and that openness and infinite flavor profile by tweaking all those different parameters. Now, here in this video, I'm going to show pour-over lovers how to appreciate a little bit more espressos. And in the next video, we'll do the opposite. How, as an espresso lover, you can really enjoy some pour-overs. So here I have my espresso using 18 grams for 42 ounce. And here I picked especially a more floral-oriented coffee. I picked our Tanzania Pacamara washed from Acacia Hill Estates. And often floral notes get trapped in espressos, or it's a little bit harder to perceive them, right? And so here I'm going to show you a little technique in order to open up those little brighter, lighter notes without falling to sourness. So I have my 41 grams here. For my pour-over lovers, you have your shot. This is 41 grams. What you're going to do is to get some hot water from your espresso machine, and we're going to make basically a strong Americano style. I'm going to add first 40 grams. And the idea will be to taste it and see if it's still too strong for you. To me, at this point, I can perceive a little bit of florality, but it's still dominant on that orange and pomelo. So, if you taste it and you're like, oh, it opens up a little bit, but it's nothing near pour over, we can do this. Instead of adding 40, we are going to add 20 grams, half of it. So the idea is to add less and less. It's a bypass technique, all in all, right? And see whether we are happy with it. Now, really, I can really taste those florals that were hidden before, but of course, we are trading off texture for that. So that's the only thing. We are always trading something for something else. And here I'm trading my texture for slightly more openness, and I put myself right now on the shoe of a pour-over lover, right? A pour-over lover enjoys that flavor complexity and don't mind sacrificing some texture and intensity of the espresso for slightly more openness and more flavor clarity. Not that espresso doesn't have clarity, sorry, but it's harder to perceive, right? Excellent. I will stop there. But if when you do this exercise for you, you still want to perceive more, instead of adding 20, you add 10, and then 5 by 5. And if after that you still don't like it, probably change coffee. But to sum up, if you are a pour-over lover and you want to start enjoying espresso, pull yourself a shot within a correct range from the roaster, the coffee shop, or your coffee friend, or your espresso friend. And then the amount of yield, whether 36, 40, 45, add that in with hot water. Taste it, see if you like it or not. If it's still too strong or you cannot perceive flavors, add half of it, 20 grams. Still 10 grams, etc., etc. And slowly you will start appreciating espresso for the characteristics that you like, which are flavor complexity and clarity. Thank you very much for watching this little tip. Next time, we are going to try to convince espresso lover to love pour over. Thank you very much and see you next time.